sounded really nice.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been, shoot, 4 or 5 months at this point. Last saw us selling the Camaro, but today we are updating Gerry, Steven's drag car project. It's kind of, we took some time off for a little bit. You know, Steven had a lot to do on the interior of his car. He's not here right now to kind of go over it, but I'm just kind of go over a quick overview of what we kind of got done, and we'll probably go into a little more in-depth about the car and what everything we've done in the past 6 months. At least he's done a lot. But this video is going to be a quick first start, because we just got the first start done, and it's running great. In the first part, you'll see the headers aren't built yet, the true first start, and then towards the end of the video you'll see it running real quick with these headers that he actually finished up and built. Same on both sides, they look really good, but the rest of the car is much more complete. The interior is much more clean. It's filled with boxes right now, but a lot of the wiring's done and the floor's in and everything's kind of been painted. But yeah, I wanted to shoot a quick intro to this video, so kind of explain how the video is going to go. We're going to get it running for the first time, and sounds really great. We're excited to make a couple more videos on the progress of this thing now that there's something more to show. Unlike before, it had been like 10 videos of Steven putting the floor in, which would have been super boring. So, and then pretty soon after that, I'm going to start a new project myself. But it's going to be pretty slow as well. So, but yeah, cut to getting this thing running for the first time, and hopefully you stick around. We'll be putting out some more videos here soon. Thanks. Well, here goes Steven's first start. What do you think? Is it going to work?
I mean, I don't know, but I'm gonna throw the master.
Let's see.
Master's on. Oh. Switch is already on.
For the ignition?
Yep.
Oh. Did you hear the solenoid hit?
Yeah. We never tested the distributor wire.
No, but...
Well, so that way I don't know. It could be hot right now.
It could be. Do you want it?
Here's, pump it a little bit. Oh wait, hang on.
Turn the fuel pump. Fuel pump's on.
Ready?
Yeah, I think so. Doesn't sound too fast.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. I advanced it.
Okay.
Sounds like it's blowing out.
Okay. So we're...
Do you remember which one's number one? Oh wait, it goes
right there.
Yeah. All right, hold on.
Attempt number 2.
You want to go straight starting fluid?
I mean, you might pump it a little. I'm going to crank it and then turn the ignition on.
Okay. All right.
Ready?
Yep.
to start it. Almost like dies when you give it throttle.
Well, it's because it's cold.
Yeah. I mean, it's not really running on anything but this, but
Well, I know.
okay.
Well, we got to get it running again.
All right.
Did the distributor move?
I don't think so. Maybe it might have actually. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. It definitely needs some carb tuning.
Oh
but
yeah, it needs tuned. I mean, hell, it's the first time it's run, so. Man, it sounds good though.
Yeah, it sounds great. You had really good oil pressure the whole time.
Oh yeah, really good oil pressure. I mean, this is. I mean, January 1st makes 3 years on this project, and this is a huge milestone.
Yeah.
I am so excited. Man, it sounds so good. Can't wait to finish the headers and
Yeah, it'll sound good for sure.